owner of this car?
Ain't on.
Who's the car?
No,
sir?
that ain't our car.
No, I think that's. Who's the owner of this car?
Huh? That's your car. Happy Valentine's Day.
No, that ain't my car.
That's your car.
Here's the title,
Are you
the
serious?
insurance.
What are you talking about?
That's your car.
Nigga, how I got a car?
That's your new car.
Wait a minute, where's my blue car? My blue car's at home.
Yeah, blue car's at home.
How's that home?
Where's your car?
My car's over there.
Get your car, Gino.
Yo, see, you're kidding me, bro. You're kidding me, bro.
Car home, Gino.
Are you serious? Come on, man.
That's your new car.
No, I'm
Valentine's Day.
Are you
Go ahead.
serious?
That's
Am
your.
I banging in the house tonight? I love you, honey, but I love you. I don't need a new car.
Bag of money where I be.
Move your ass, man.
Racks, that's all that I see. Excuse me, just to go sell pizza.
Your car, Gino.
Why don't you just?
Riding dirty out of
Why don't you pull it up?
Bobbing
Because we
weed.
got a
She
roadblock
got mad
right
at
now.
her boyfriend and let
Just
me
pull it
fuck
up.
up her weave.
Stop over there.
Bitch, please. Left wrist plus right wrist below 80 degrees. Yeah, I need some skis. You can't name another nigga cold as me. For real, I just hopped up.
Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes Benz? My friends all drive Porsches. I must make amends. Worked hard all my lifetime, no help from my friends. So oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes Benz?